Well, hello, algebra students and seekers of general truths. Let us look at some practice problems now that involve absolute value. And in this first couple of problems, our assignment here is to write in words what the following equations are asking. Okay, so we don't have to solve any of this just yet. We just have to write in words what is the equivalent of this equation. So here we have an absolute value of a missing number, right? So this really means distance from 0. Okay, so we can say that the distance between x and 0 is 6. Okay, in other words, this question asks what numbers are 6 units away from 0. So another way we can say this, what numbers are 6 units away from 0? Alright, yeah, so both of these statements are good. The distance between x and 0 is 6, or we can phrase it as a question, what numbers are 6 units from 0? Now let's look at a slightly more complicated example. What if we have the absolute value of x minus 9 equals 1? So again, x here is sort of the question that we're asking about. What numbers are, and so we have two choices here to fill in, either 9 or 1, and really what we're talking about here is the distance from 9. Okay, so what numbers are 1 unit from 9? Okay. And again, the other way that we could phrase this is the distance between x and 9. Okay, so this minus here with the absolute value, we can say that the distance and 9 is 1. Okay. And let me go back a little bit to the previous problem and just let's look at it another way. When I have the absolute value of x, we can also say this is the absolute value of x minus 0 equals 6. Okay. So this is the distance between x and 0. That's what we have in here. And in this second example, the distance between x and 9. And that's what we have going on in here, okay, is 1. So the number that's outside of the absolute value with this equal sign here means that that's how far away the two numbers inside the absolute value are. Okay? So the two numbers inside the absolute value is x and 0, and they are 6 units away from each other. Same thing here, x and 9 is 1 unit away from each other. All right, so I've prepared a few more examples here. These are great practice problems for you to attempt on your own, and always you can come and ask for help if you need it, but definitely get practice doing these problems on your own. As always, thank you for watching. Keep working hard and have a wonderful day.